I'm in Flagstaff, Arizona at Overland Expo West 2018, and I'm going to take you along for the journey of this amazing weekend. Stay tuned. Welcome to Trail Recon. I'm Brad, and guys, this weekend we are here at Overland Expo West 2018 in Flagstaff, Arizona, and I am so excited for this event. I've been waiting for months to get here. You know, we came here last year and had an awesome time, and this time we are spending the entire weekend, and I am going to take you with me to just check out some very cool exhibits, meet with some cool vendors, check out some of the awesome off-road classes, and maybe even visit with some of the YouTube folks that are out here. This is going to be an awesome weekend, guys. I am so excited about this. I'm really happy that you're here with me. Let's go check this event out. This should be a great weekend. When you first arrive at Overland Expo West here in Flagstaff, you're greeted by a lot of nice green forest, and there are lots of volunteers here that will point you in the right direction. Whether you're going camping, you're here for a day pass and parking, or you're here one of the exhibitors, they've got a great system. Now, if you're getting here in the morning, you want to make sure you get here early because it kind of gets a little backed up. After arriving at either your campsite or the day parking lot, you'll need to check in at the registration booth to get your wristband, and then the fun begins. This year, Overland Expo was significantly larger than last year, and I honestly don't think I saw everything during the weekend. There were a lot more vendors, and it sure seemed like there were a lot more people for sure. Now, I did a separate video of some of the very cool vehicles I came across while I was at the expo, and I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check that out. There were some awesome rigs here for sure.
Off the bottom of the tank sometimes they'll get you home maybe.
Yeah, very good point.
But they only happen if it won't restart on
Overland Expo offers dozens of classes during the 3 days of the event. Everything from what to take with you on a long expedition, to off-road recovery classes, to how to get a motorcycle across a big old gorge. One of the most popular classes is one that allows you to take your vehicle through some challenging obstacles with the assistance of some trained spotters. It's a great opportunity for folks to really learn the capabilities of their vehicle. One thing to keep in mind regarding the classes here is that you want to register early because they do fill up fast. This year, once again, Land Rover is on site, and you can sign up to test drive one of their new Land Rovers on the off-road course. And we did this last year, and it was a lot of fun. It's very cool just to take out the Land Rover and see their capability. The folks at BFG also have a driving experience out here, and they've got a Toyota Tacoma, they've got a Jeep Brute out there, which is really cool, and also a new Jeep JL to run out on the trail and test out their tires. Very cool. Guys, I'm at the BFG tent here, and they've got the new KM3 on display. And Tim, tell us a little bit about the new tire, man.
All right, thanks, Brad. So this is the KM3. It's our newest product. It launches next month in June, so we're really excited about it. What we've done is completely taken the KM2 and taken it to the next level. The biggest advantage that you're going to have with this tire is the sidewall. We've made a much tougher sidewall to avoid impacts and punctures and all of those things. You can see this area right here, that this is what we call the deflection zone. And this is modeled after our KR3, which is our Baja 1000 trophy truck tire. It's the, our really most aggressive tire that we have for the desert racing. And so this area right here, 80% of sidewall impacts happen in this upper shoulder area. So we've brought this down around, and because it's because of the way that it's angled, it's made to where it will actually deflect rocks and roots and those types of things and help the tire work its way around that to avoid snagging and tearing.
Nice. Well, thanks, Tim. I love my KO2s, man, and I'm excited to check out the KM3s on the trail here soon.
All right.
Dual sport overlanding motorcycles is a big part of Overland Expo, and they offer all kinds of courses while they're here to test out their motorcycles, from basic skills to more advanced stuff. So guys, I came across this really cool product here that is storage carrier. It's got a grill with an ash carrier, and it's also a hammock. So these are removable hammock arms here that get put away. Now I probably would recommend not being in the hammock while you're grilling, but I think it's a very cool concept. And oh, by the way, they have a very cool TJ in the background. Very nice. So there are a lot of rooftop tents here, but the one that's kind of stuck out for me is this one right here, which is a dog extension. So inside there has got a little zipper so they can get into the regular one. And this is from Free Spirit Recreation. So you've got your tent and then you've got one for your dog. So guys, it is always great to walk around and see fellow YouTube creators out here. Guys, I've been following your channel for a while. I think you guys are getting ready to set off on a cool adventure. Tell my viewers what you got planned.
Okay, so we basically have sold almost everything. We don't have a home. We've moved everything into our 4Runner and this turtleback trailer, and we're setting out for the Arctic Ocean. We began our journey at the Gulf Coast in Texas, and we're flying by the seat of our pants. We don't really have an itinerary other than the fact we want to drive as far north as we can and document it on our YouTube channel, Lifestyle Overland.
That's awesome. Well, I follow your channel. I'm excited for you guys. Now it's just you, your Toyota, and what kind of trailer you're pulling?
It's a turtleback trailer expedition model.
Nice. I was checking it out. It's got very nice capabilities and features, so living out of that should be pretty nice, right?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
It makes it easy.
Thanks guys for taking the time to talk with us. Best of luck on your adventure. I know I'll be following you guys. Make sure you go check out their YouTube channel.
Awesome.
Great.
Thank you.
The folks from Tahui Tents had this clamshells on display, and man, I just really like these. You don't get any overhang with these things. Folks at Alucab had this Akaya truck bed camper on here. Man, this thing is really cool. It's got all these storages, nice little setup in here. Got some places for all your coffee cups and wine glasses. Nice little storage in the rear door. And then man, just up inside, it's just awesome. Over here at the Patriot Campers booth, ran into Justin. Justin, man, it's great to meet you. Tell us about your trailers.
Okay, so here in the United States, we've got the Patriot Campers X1 behind us, which is the 5-year in a row Camper Trailer of the Year winner from back in Australia. We've had them in the United States for about 12 months. We've also launched the X2 into the United States as well, which is a little bit of a smaller platform. But this is our flagship. This is the trailer that everybody's been excited to see, and we've had an awesome response at the show here this weekend.
Awesome, man. What are some of the great features that you love about this trailer?
Well, I think the best feature for the Patriot Campers X1 is it's got to be the construction. It's super lightweight, comes in at 2,200 pounds, but it opens up with all the luxuries that you need. We've got a king-size bed up the top, independent suspension underneath, and what really sets us apart, I think, from most of the other products that are here, are the materials that we use. So it's all aluminum on a hot-dip galvanised chassis. The trailers are built to last a lifetime.
Awesome, man. It's a great looking trailer. Thanks for taking the time to talk with us.
Not a problem. Thanks for having us, man.
One of the other cool products I came across here, guys, is from getlost.com, and they've got a really cool thing where you can subscribe and get a monthly package sent where they send all this really cool overland stuff. So for $60 a month you can get a basic package, and for $125 a month they'll send you another one. These are some very cool little products they got stashed in those boxes. So guys, I was walking by checking out the new Rhino Rack Batwing, and Tony agreed to kind of tell us a little bit about it, man. Tell us about this.
So 2018 Batwing awning, all blacked out, pulls telescope into the awning. It all folds away with ease, one person use. So we blacked out the bag, really improved the zippers. Locking it down to get it into the bag has become easier. The bag's a little bigger, gives you a little more room. But the biggest feature is the poles. They telescope up, they fold into the awning, and you put it away. Outstanding product.
Nice, man. Thanks for giving us the time.
Thank you.
Taking a look at the guys' X-Venture XV2 trailer. Very cool. Got these compartments here with all their batteries and the refrigerator. Nice little storage compartment. Totally digging on their little table out here with the stove, little water setup. Got a nice storage here. And looks like they even got a hot water heater back here, which is totally cool. Nice little trailer. And of course you got to have the big rooftop tent on the top. So just taking a look at the back of this Jeep, and it's all set up by Goose Gear, and man, they've got just such a clean look. You got the full table, you got the little tiny minimal stove, nice little storage, and a kitchen slider. Just a great little setup. I love it. And you know, guys, for me, it's all about the little things that people do, and I think this is really cool. You know, this is one of those storage roto packs that they've installed a water pump with a little spray nozzle that's attached to a water roto packs. Man, how cool is that? That's something I think a lot of people could do, very simple and very cheap. All right, guys, so you know me being prior Navy, I had to stop and take a look at this one because it's got that Navy camo on it. And this is from Aero Teardrops out of Portland, Oregon, which is my hometown, so I really appreciate that. I love the woodwork back in here. It's just really nice, and I love how the fridge is tucked way in there. And then inside is just really nice. You got a little table, just a nice little clean setup. Very nice trailer. Guys, I'm here with John from S-Pod, and you know S-Pod was one of the first mods that I installed in my Jeep, and I just want to talk to him about his new system. John, tell us about this Bantam.
Oh, great. Good to see you again, Brad. So anyways, the Bantam is, unlike our 8-circuit system people are accustomed to, it's a lot smaller. It's still, 30 amps a circuit, 8 circuits. The neat new features on this little bad boy is that it still could handle all that amperage, but it also has 8 additional inputs on it. So these inputs, as they're labeled here, you're able to control any of these 8 outputs with any type of device. That includes Raspberry Pis, Arduinos, remote sensors, switches, you name it, anything like that. You could control it. Your dome lights, if you want to hook it up to your dome lights and run all your rock lights, tap in that dome light circuit, attach it to one of these corresponding inputs, and you can now control those outputs with it. The same thing, you could use any of our 3 controllers, our HD controller with it, touchscreen, or 8 hard switches. And you can run multiples thereof. If you want to put a touchscreen in the front, one in the back, an HD in the back, and a utility truck, you can still do it. And this system is race proven, and it's brand new, and hopefully it'll knock the socks off the public.
Awesome, John. Thanks for taking the time to show us that.
Of course. Take care.
So this trailer here by the mother of all bivouacs, Moab, it's got this really cool swing out table where it's got the stoves on there. Nice big bat wing is up on top, but I love this wood that's in here. Just really cool looking. I don't know if that's cherry wood or what it is, but just a very cool trailer. And then coming on inside, that wood carries over inside with the cabinets as well. I love it. Overland Expo West 2018 has been such an awesome time this weekend, guys. And being here at the KC Highlights booth, having the Jeep here, getting the opportunity to meet so many of you viewers has been so humbling. I'm so thankful to have shaken so many hands. If you're visiting the channel for the first time, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a member of the Trail Recon team. Thanks for watching.